we are on our way to Maui for the day. We're gonna eat at Mama's Fish House and then hopefully see some cool stuff afterwards. So a quick little trip. Got a flight to catch. Oh yeah. Okay. We are in Maui. We are at Mama's Fish House. We are currently waiting to be seated, and there is a sick little beach right next to it.
It says Ha'uoli la Hana'u e Pebbles.
What does that mean?
It means happy birthday, Pebbles. From all of us at Mama's Fish House. Aloha, the Christensen family. Thank you.
Like Dukes, but this one's glass.
And it says Mama's Fish House on it.
Cheers.
To Maui.
To Maui.
It's Pebbles' birthday.
Very juice forward.
It is juice forward, but it's also spice forward. Not so much alcohol forward.
Presentation, definitely a 4.
Damn,
I
alright.
love the umbrella though.
That might be a 5
I
for
don't
your
know,
mom.
this one's juicy. Do you?
It is, yeah, it's juicy. A little acidic.
Yes, that's a good one. Get the citrus in that
Can you help
bad
me?
boy.
Cheers
We
to
got
broth.
some broccoli broth.
Cheers.
Of the chef.
It's hot, be careful. It's delicious. Oh my. That is, it's better than Togo's broccoli cheddar. I love soup.
I love soup.
She does love soup. That's all she's been wanting to eat. So what's happening?
Alright, it's about a week later, but we are finally going to reveal the results of the Mai Tai crawl. And yeah, I'm not really sure what to expect. Honestly though, I think I would rank
I think I would go
bar.
beach bar.
higher than
Monkey Pod.
Yeah.
Arthur, you scored Monkey Pod at 12,
Yeah.
and then your second place was Beach Bar at 11.5.
Oh, it was close.
Third place was Mai Tai Bar with a 10.5. Fourth place was Duke's with a 9. And fifth place was Tiki's with a 3. What was mine?
That's pretty close.
Hold on, let me finish it.
Oh yeah, and then individual breakdowns. Oh, I think
So
we're ready.
good. Oh, Chewy's first place was tied between Mai Tai Bar and Beach Bar with a 12.5.
Makes sense.
Your second place was Monkey Pod with a 12. Third place was Duke's with a 9. And fourth place was Tiki's with a 4.5.
How did I get a 4.5? What did she?
I think I gave it higher for the glass. For presentation. Okay, yeah, stupid. My breakdown was first place was Monkey Pod with a 13. Second place was Beach Bar with a 12.5. Third place was tied Duke's and Mai Tai Bar. That's, oh yeah,
Yeah, you like Duke's.
yeah.
This, even though it looks like not so refined, it tastes refined because I can taste the different elements. It makes it dynamic.
And then last place was Tiki's with a 4. Nima, his first place was a tie between Monkey Pod and Mai Tai Bar.
Damn.
Second place was Beach Bar with an 11.5. Third place was Duke's with a 9.5, and he was too generous at Tiki's with a 7.
Damn.
Damn,
I was
that's
too generous.
7.
I was buzzed, I was feeling good, aloha vibes.
Al's first place was Monkey Pod with a 14. Second place was Beach Bar with a 12.
What?
I don't know how that happened. Third place was No, sorry.
Mai Tai Bar was second?
First place was Monkey Pod with a 14. Second place was Mai Tai Bar with a 13.
That makes more sense.
Third place was Beach Bar with a 12. Fourth place was Duke's with a 10.5 and Tiki's at a 4.5. Did I do Pebbles?
No.
Okay, so her first plate is Monkey Pod 13.5. Second place was Mai Tai Bar with a 12. Third place was Beach Bar with a 10.5. Fourth place was Duke's with an 8.5. And fifth place was Tiki's with a 6.
Tiki's with a 6.
Yeah.
I'd be interested if we did Monkey Pod not first. I think like it was like we were hyped. It was the first one. Everyone was like, "This is amazing," and had nothing to compare it to. So I think if we would have done it in a different order, the scores.
Are plates on the right or the left?
I think the left.
I wish it was a little crispier, but pretty good.
Chewy. There's no froth on that. That's perfect. She doesn't like froth.
Cheers. Cheers, Frankie. You wanna try it? You wanna try it, Gary? Nima, you gotta try it.
Daddy. It's pretty coffee forward, but the coffee is really good.
Hella good.
Delicious.
Oh my god, man.
Sure you don't want one?
Nima, go for it.
Oh, it's okay. What happened with the dessert situation?
So everyone was trying to, oh, I'm gonna share this, or oh, I'm gonna share that. And then at the end of the day, we just decided, F it, first time here, one of each dessert. Mom, can you scoot theirs down?
It's pretty good.
So good.
Really good.
The cake texture is really nice.
Did you try that? I haven't yet because I don't want to contaminate. Why? That has nothing to do with it. I know, but what if I have something better?
So light.
Yeah, maybe you did. It's okay. I have a clean fork here. No, we're fine.
Oh, wow.
The cookie's really good.
That mousse is very light and airy and it melts in your mouth. Oh my god. Frankie, did you try this? Whatever that like custard stuff in the middle is really
I don't know what it was. I don't
know what it
remember
is,
the
but it's-
description.
Here's the crack. Hit it. Crack it. So gentle.
low tart.
Really sweet, but the torch sugar part is really good. Nice and crispy.
switch hands. Look out into the distance. Now look over your shoulder that way. Now turn around in a circle and look on the floor like you dropped something. Don't put your hands like I don't know. Should we have a little stand?